This is a video of laser ablation of parathyroid adenoma. Surgery, unacceptable scar, damage to the nerve of the throat is very common, which makes the patient afraid to undergo surgery. Laser now has a beautiful alternative. If you see, this is a very large parathyroid adenoma. This video shows the vascularity, which is quite extensive in all aspects of the adenoma. This is laserization, which is done percutaneously. The white part, expanding part you see, is the burning of the adenoma from inside. There is no damage to any surrounding structure. There is a carotid artery which is just next to it, but it's not affected at all. And this is post laser, where the whole thing is destroyed and there is no vascularity seen.